Trying to get this fender welded up. Doesn't really weld very well, but just kind of skips right off. I think if I skip it enough, I'll be able to build something up there. See how that goes. Here's the weld on the fender. Just been spraying and praying. It is not pretty, but it might turn out all right. I need to get in those low spots. We're making some progress. All right, guys, I know I used a little bit of filler on the welds on the frame. I got to use a little bit on this fender. The welding just was garbage, and I'm garbage at welding since I just started. Turned out right. I'm just gonna get this filler just a little soupy so I can just pack it in there, and then I can just form it around. I mean, it's fillers, you know, love it or hate it. It has its purpose, and the professional industry uses it a lot more than you'd think, but we'll see how this goes. I know it's a fender or anything, as all the rocks are going to chip it and break it, but I mean, it's a road bike, so I don't know how many rocks it's going to be throwing up driving it on normal paved roads. But anyways, here's the update and show you how it looks after. Dimple taken care of. So we can get it in one application. It's not very much, I guess. It's much more than an 1/8 inch difference.